Yo, the 5 truths I wish I knew about trading when I started. Let's dive straight into the video. Time horizons. Time horizons are probably one of the biggest things holding back traders when starting. I can say this from personal experience. When I started out, I had a specific time in mind where I wanted to make a specific number, and that was my exit. I wanted to make a few million by a certain age. That was the plan. That was the only motivation I had, and that was all I thought about coming into the market. That is the worst way you can become a better trader. Guys, I'm launching a 7-day workshop, and it's going to be for free. So click the link down below, join my free Telegram, and I'll see you on the inside. Becoming a better trader involves you becoming a disciplined individual, you having a solid trading plan, you executing strategies precisely to the point so that you can repeat that over and over again and receive that financial reward. However, if you come in the opposite way with this time horizon stuck in your head, just thinking about the money, you are going to lose. Things are going to take longer than you expect them to take, as they did for me. All right, so try and keep that in mind. I would say, however, to whoever's watching this right now, the first 2 years of your journey are going to be the hardest. That is where you learn out truly what trading is, how emotional it can be. More importantly, when you have your own money on the line versus trading demo, it's two very different things. When you have your own skin in the game, that is truly when you know what it takes to become a trader. So again, truth number 1, time horizons. You are not going to make millions of dollars from the small trading account that you have in front of you. It is not going to happen. Readjust your expectation, broaden your time horizon, and focus on becoming a better trader. Second truth, there is no magical strategy under the sun that is magically going to make you rich, that you can just follow. Everything's going to be great and trading is going to be perfect. There is no such thing. The strategy, in my opinion, is something that allows the trader to build an edge. It is up to the trader 100% on how that strategy is executed and how disciplined that individual is while trading the strategy. It is not about finding this magical strategy and everything's going to be great. That is hidden truth number 2. And again, I don't want to stop you from finding a strategy. A strategy is crucial because the strategy is what gives you your edge. The strategy is what will allow you to turn up to the market, follow a set of rules in order for you to execute some trades based on those rules to then receive that profit at the end. You need that, but if you're blindly going to come into the market with no risk management and just try and execute a strategy, you are going to lose. It is not going to work out as you're trying to plan it to. Rethink your process, rethink what you're doing, come back to the drawing board with a proper risk managed plan on how you're going to execute your strategy over a long period of time. Truth number 2. Truth number 3, drawing technical analysis on a chart does not move the market. And I say this with a smile on my face because majority of the retail market out here are drawing things on a chart, predicting that the market bounced off this level and life's perfect and they're just going to do this for the next 5 years and they're going to be millionaires sailing into the sun in the south of France. Life's going to be perfect. It's not going to happen. The market may react off certain levels. The market does often repeat itself. However, just drawing things on a chart is not what's going to give you your edge. Your edge is a set of rules that you can follow repeatedly over certain sessions, over certain days of the week, around certain news events. These are things you can repeat over and over again while managing your risk, which is what will paint that picture for you, which is what you can repeat, and that's what's going to give you your reward. However, just coming to the market, drawing a bunch of things on the chart is not your get out of jail free card. You are going to lose in the long term. It's something that can't be repeated over and over again. It's not going to work. Go back to the drawing board, come back with a proper plan of what you're going to do, and repeat. I have to add, I personally use technical analysis, but it is purely to manage my risk. I'm looking at technicals on where a trade will no longer be relevant. I'm basing my technical analysis on purely my risk management. I'm basing my trades off of fundamentals, macro, where currency could or should be trading, and I'm trying to jump on the back of it. That's all I'm doing. That's my plan. That works for me. That's what gives me my edge. That's what I'm going to repeat doing. Find what works for you. Keep repeating that. Truth number 4, trading with more money or trading with more lot sizes does not make trading any easier. If you cannot manage a $1,000 account, I wouldn't even recommend you thinking about managing 100K, a million. It is just not going to work out for you. Yes, having more funds to manage gives you more breathing room, but if you're not a profitable trader on $1,000, don't even think about trying to manage hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. Yes, prop firms have come into the market to give people the chance, but again, if you can't manage $1,000, what makes you think you can trade 6-7 figures? It's just not going to happen. And yes, by all means, go ahead and buy that prop challenge, but ensure you're profitable first. I have had hundreds of people message me that have thrown everything into prop firms and are still broke, still have nothing. Back to the drawing board, asking me what they should do now. Focus on becoming a good trader. Doesn't matter if you're trading your own money, doesn't matter if you're trading prop, doesn't matter. What matters is if you're consistent, if you're disciplined, if you have a strategy and a rule-based system that you can follow while managing your risk repeatedly over and over again. Folks, stop wasting your time. 2 years from now, 3 years from now, you're going to be in the same position because you haven't made a plan. Please make a plan. Existing traders in the space are not always going to hold your hand. That is trading truth number 5. And I say this for myself as I am in the social space, as I do have a community of traders, as I see traders online expecting the world from people already in the game. It's not going to happen. You have to put the work in for yourself. If you are in this market, you might learn from someone, you might learn from me, you might learn from someone else on YouTube, you might learn from someone on Instagram, but that is the pinnacle. That is the start of your career. You have to get to work after that. You have to work on yourself. You have to find what strategy works out for you. You have to manage your risk. You cannot base your whole trading career's expectations on the fact that someone's going to hold your hand for the rest of your career and life's going to be great and you can just copy this person and everything's going to work out for you perfectly. You have to get to work. You have to put the hours in. You're not going to just turn up, everything's going to be great, life's going to be perfect. And if you are asking something that could just be Googled, don't be an imbecile. Put the work in, right? Over the years that I've been a part of the game now, I've seen so many, thousands come and go because they simply can't put in the work. And those that put in the work are making money. Those that put in the work are still in the game. Who are you? Are you putting in the work? Or are you just floating around, seeing if this trading thing works? Don't be that imbecile. Are you wasting your time? Get to work. Right, folks, hope you enjoyed those 5 truths. These truths are something that I wish I could share for those starting out, those on their journey, those already towards the end of their journey. If it's something that just puts your mindset in the right place, it's going to help you a long way. I firmly believe trading really is all psychological, all mental, and about 10% worth of strategy, 10% worth of risk management. So keep that one in mind, folks. Hope you have a great day. Markets do open in a couple of hours. So get your head in the right place, plan your week out, think about your risk parameters for the week ahead. And yeah, if you want to attend a 7-day workshop of mine, click the link down below, join my free Telegram. It is free. I'm going to try and give value this year, so make sure you check it out. And I'll see you on the inside. Peace out.